Have you ever thought about the social science behind viral marketing? It's an intriguing mix of psychology, technology, and human connection. Viral marketing campaigns spread like wildfire, capturing attention and generating buzz. But how does it happen? From a sociological viewpoint, viral content taps into shared emotions and social identity. It often connects with people on a deep level, sparking emotions like joy, surprise, or nostalgia, which compels them to share. Technology plays a significant role too. Social media platforms enable content to spread quickly through networks, amplifying reach with just a click. Algorithms further boost visibility by promoting content that engages users. Social proof is another essential factor. When people see others sharing or endorsing content, it reinforces its value and encourages more sharing, creating a snowball effect. While the allure of going viral might seem spontaneous, successful campaigns often involve careful planning, leveraging trends, and understanding the audience's needs and desires. So, why is the social science of viral marketing so captivating? It's about tapping into human behavior and emotions to create connections that resonate widely. By understanding these elements, marketers can craft campaigns that not only reach millions, but also engage meaningfully.